Community. A group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristic in common. That's the official definition of community. But that doesn't really tell the whole story. The land, the people, and the ideas all coming together are what we believe make a community. In this part of the country, hard work, determination, and being a good neighbor still hold true. In a time when society is divided on so many issues, we're blessed to have a strong community. A community that looks out for one another. A community that believes in holding on to classic values. A community that will stand our ground and ensure we do the best for the next generation. The Lewis Automotive Group has been community strong for 3 generations. Many of your parents and grandparents helped us become who we are today, and we can't thank them enough. Just like those that came before us, inspiring the next generation to reach their dreams is our passion. Ensuring we leave them a place to dream of is our purpose. For us, community is more than a word. Community is what makes everything we do worthwhile. At Lewis Toyota, we are proud to be a part of this community, and we look forward to seeing the great things that this community becomes.